Imagine this. His children were dying, a plague was wiping out his people, wars were breaking out on every border, and his most trusted general just betrayed him. This was the real life of Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor. But he didn't collapse, he didn't blame anyone. He just wrote, not for fame or an audience, but to survive from this agony. Those private notes survived for 2 millennia. In the next 4 minutes, I will tell you the 5 life-changing ideas that Aurelius used to keep his mind from shattering. We need to remember that Stoicism wasn't designed for quiet moments. It was built for a crisis. Aurelius fought on the front lines for years, lost his wife and children, and watched millions die during his time. He didn't have answers to all these, but he had these daily practices during that crisis. First, separate what you control from what you don't. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." He couldn't stop the plague. He couldn't bring his children back. But he could control how he showed up the next morning. Most of us waste our energy obsessing over things we cannot change. Other people's opinions, past mistakes, future outcomes. Next time chaos hits, ask one question. Is this in my control? If yes, act. If no, release it. Stop trying to fix what you cannot fix. Second, see difficulty as the job itself, not an interruption. Aurelius wrote, "What stands in the way becomes the way." He didn't view the wars and the plague as detours from his reign. He viewed them as the actual work, the place where his beliefs would hold up or fall apart. We are always waiting for things to calm down to really start living. Aurelius said, "No, the struggle isn't the obstacle to our growth. In fact, the struggle is our growth." Stop asking when things will get easier. Ask what you are building in yourself while they're hard. Third, imagine the worst before it happens. The Stoics called this premeditatio malorum, deliberately imagining bad outcomes. It sounds depressing, but it's the opposite. Marcus regularly reflected on the possibility of death, failure, and losing those he loved, not to dwell in misery, but so that when those things hit, they didn't destroy him. Spend 5 minutes this week facing what you fear most about losing. Your job, your health, your relationship. Don't suppress it. Sit with it. You won't feel worse. You will feel prepared. And that preparation is what keeps you standing when the real blow lands. Fourth, confine yourself to the present. This is exactly what he said. Live for now. Not the war that's been raging for years. Not the crisis that's been building. Just today, this morning, this one decision. When everything is falling apart, the horizon feels overwhelming. You cannot fix the next 5 years today, but you can make one good decision. You can have one honest conversation. That's all he asked of himself. One day, then another. That consistency carried him through nearly 2 decades of crisis without breaking. Finally, write to yourself when no one is watching. Meditations was never meant to be published. Aurelius wasn't building a brand. He admitted his weaknesses and failures privately without an audience. He wrote things like, "I've wasted another day." He was brutally honest. Most of us process hard moments by talking to others or distracting ourselves. Marcus processed them by sitting quietly with his own mind. So, write to yourself this week without any filter. Just honestly confront where you are failing and why. This practice will change everything. Marcus had every reason to collapse. He understood that power doesn't protect you from grief. What kept him standing wasn't superhuman strength. It was a daily routine. Control your response. See obstacles as the path. Prepare for pain. Focus on today. Write honestly. These aren't ancient poems. They are survival skills. Which of these 5 hits is closest to where you are right now? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.